Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles, and welcome to a complex looking fabric, but it is made with very simple stitches and very solid simple stitches. We use only double crochets and skipped chains and chains, and we use three colors to create this fabric, and you can use multiple colors, odd number of colors if you want to make it more complex. So let's go into the video without much delay friends, and for this particular motif I have used my hobby store Aran 100% acrylic 5-ply acrylic yarn and a 5 mm crochet hook, and this is a typical 8-inch square. So let's go into the video friends without any further delay. Chain 32, I have chain 32. Now make a DC in the 4th chain from the hook, 1 2 3 and 4th chain from the hook, double crochet, chain 2, skip 2 chains and 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 chains. Chain 2, skip 2, 2 DC. So continue this stitch pattern for this first row. So continue till the end. At the end of the row, join in color B. Chain 2, turn and place 1 DC each on the skipped chains of the first row. So you can work from behind, enclosing this chain. Chain 2, skip the 2 DCs and work your double crochet in the skipped chains of row 1. Continue this pattern. So this is how it will appear. We've come to the end of the row here. Instead of chain 2, chain 1 and slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the first 3 chains that we have, turning chain, and here join color C. Chain 3, double crochet on the skipped stitch here, chain 2, double crochet in the skipped stitch, that is the DC of the 2nd row, 1 and 2, chain 2, continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. So we've come to the end of the row here with color C. Now before completing the last DC here, pull color yarn A and join, chain 1, then repeat row 2, chain 2, DC on the skipped stitches. Chain 2, DC on. So this is how we repeat the patterns here. So we repeat row 2 and 3 to the length required by changing the colors. So I shall work a few more rows and get back to you. So this row 1, 2, 3, row 4 is same as row 2, row 5 is same as row 3. So again all even rows are same as row 2 and all odd rows are same as row 3. Only thing, whichever yarn is left, we pick up that yarn and continue. So we keep changing the colors row by row. Okay, I shall work a few more rows and get back to you. I have worked a few more rows, alternating A, B, C as colors and repeating rows 2 and 3. So row 2 may be worked with A, B or C as per the yarn we pick up at the end of the respective rows. Okay, so these colors get changed. Don't bother about that because we are repeating the pattern 2 and 3 but we are using 3 colors. So by permutation combination, different colors will be worked for different rows. Rows 2 and 3 will have different colors. It may be A, it may be B, it may be C. So after row 9, we make 16 more rows and get back. So this is how the pattern develops. And it's a reversible pattern. Okay, let me complete 16. You also complete 16 rows. Then I shall tell you how to complete the square. Completed 25 rows. Ending with color A. Now with color A, fasten off the other 2 colors. With color A, place a round of S's. Place single crochet all around the square. In the corners, we'll place 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet. This is the first single crochet I have done, and this corner I am going to work the last. So I'll place 1 more single crochet here. And on every side we need to have 26 single crochets. On these sides you need to place it evenly. Okay. So place the single crochets all around. I shall also complete and get back. Completed placing SCs all around. Adjusted it to be 26 SCs in each sides. And in the corners we did 2 SC, chain to 2 SC. So this beautiful and a thick motif is ready. It is titled as checkers. It looks like checkers and it's a reversible pattern. Both the sides look same. So whichever side you feel is okay, you can keep it as the front side, and the reverse side you can hide the yarns. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this pattern, and this can be used for your coasters and for your thick fabrics and for your wearables, and it becomes a great pattern for your winter wearables. So if you happen to be the first time viewer for this channel, friends, please do subscribe, do like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Thank you once again. Have a great day, friends. Bye for now.